Hi guys, my name is Mariah. Welcome back to another one of our videos here on the Party Thieves channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're coming back, welcome back. It's great to see you guys. Thank you guys for all your support and your love, checking out other videos, leaving us some questions. So we are going to be answering one of the most important questions, which is what to do when you are doing an install outside. There are some key things that you're going to want to keep in mind when working with balloons outdoors, whether you're in heat or in cold or in just kind of like average temperatures. These are all things you're going to want to kind of consider when you have an install outside. So one big key tip is if you are going to be working in an environment that has either high heat or low heat, you are going to want to make sure you are inflating your balloons in a similar environment. So if you're going to work outside for an install and it is 80 degrees outside, you're going to want to make sure you're blowing up your balloons outside in that 80-degree weather so that there's not 60-degree air inside your balloon, then you take it outside to 80-degree weather. It's going to make it expand faster. So make sure you're blowing your balloon in similar temperatures, okay? And then you're going to want to keep in mind that if you are outside in the heat, you are going to want to try and find somewhere shaded, if you can. Whether that's under a tree or an umbrella or some sort of overhang, keeping your balloons in the shade is going to be best for many reasons. A, if they're in direct sunlight, especially if you have darker shaded balloons, they are going to oxidize, so they're going to kind of get that like smoky matte look almost, which looks good sometimes, but not all the time. And then also with the direct sunlight, it's going to make your balloons kind of shrivel up and get that kind of wrinkly look, which you don't want, because then you get a saggy balloon and nobody wants saggy balloons. So those are some key things you're going to want to keep in mind when working outdoors. Your balloons are also not going to last as long, obviously. So if your balloons are inside, they can last up to a month, honestly. But outdoors, they can last probably a couple of days. So make sure that's something that you tell your customer if they're planning on keeping them for a long period of time. All right, so I hope this video was a little helpful for somebody out there. Again, if you guys have any questions, please let us know in the comment below, and follow and subscribe to check out our next video coming out. Thanks again. See you guys next time.